How does a lawsuit against the VA hospital work? Specifically, a medical malpractice case against a VA hospital. In such a case, you or a loved one has been significantly injured as a result of bad medical care. We at Frith Ellerman handle those lawsuits often, including suits against the Salem VA Medical Center. A lawsuit against a VA hospital is different from a normal lawsuit. You are suing the federal government under the Federal Tort Claims Act. Unlike a typical lawsuit, you can't file suit in court as you would normally do. First, you have to send a summary of the lawsuit and what actually occurred to the government through a Form 95 basis of claim. The government then has 6 months to investigate the matter. If the case settles, all parties move on. If the case does not settle during the 6-month period, you proceed with a lawsuit in federal court. Now, in any medical malpractice case, including suits against the VA, there is no charge to you. Our law firm pays for all expenses. And if the case is unsuccessful, you owe us nothing. If the case is successful, either through settlement or trial, attorney's fees are deducted along with costs paid in litigating the case. In many cases against the VA, the government will settle the claim during the 6-month period. Now, this offers a number of advantages. First, it's very low cost. You do not need to pay for expensive experts to review the records. Second, it's much faster. The 6-month period is significantly shorter than a non-VA case, which typically takes 1 to 2 years to resolve. And third, there are lower attorney's fees. Lawsuits against the VA, the fees are set at 20% by law, and that is significantly lower than the percentage in a regular or traditional medical malpractice case. That's a brief summary of lawsuits against the VA. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns.